Welcome to the PFO channel. I'm Jim. I'm out here at the pool with the grandkids, and we've got a new robotic pool vacuum that we are pretty excited to try out. We allowed the pool to get grungier than normal. Not too bad, but just a little bit of dirt build up in the center and a little bit of algae around the edges, just so that we could see how this thing worked. If we left it in our normal pristine condition, we really wouldn't know what this thing's doing, would we? All right, how hard could this be? There's an on button.
Welcome to the shadow pool cleaning the bath.
Talking to us.
I'm ready to work. It's all cover mode.
All cover means floor and wall.
So just dump it in the water, huh? There she goes. Oh man, it sunk.
Just kidding, you gotta press power again.
Yeah. She's saying, I forgot to tell you.
Get me out of here, it's freezing!
I can tell her you didn't read the instructions.
Help!
Oh, hey, help!
Get me out of here!
Like, ah! It is. It's like first. It's like yeah. You people know it's only 68 degrees in here. It's like, no. That's hilarious. All right, well, I can't get out. I might as well vacuum.
He's gonna get out.
That's the funniest thing is that vacuum did exactly the same thing as you guys when you got in tonight. Like, this is cold, man. Where's that ladder? It's brushing off both sides of the ladder.
Its climbing ability is scary. How does it? I can't believe how easy it just scaled that with like almost zero contact.
I think it's trying to map the
It
pool.
probably is, It'll get it.
It'll figure it out.
Push the button. No one's gonna get it.
It keeps going back to the same spots.
Ah! There it goes.
Yeah, so it.
Oh. Don't go see the dirt.
Okay, now we're talking. It's like, okay, whatever's back there isn't cooperating, so let's go over here. Oh.
It really wants out.
Yeah, I think you're right. I don't think it's trying to clean. It's trying to figure out how to get out that ladder.
He's gonna do it again. Here he comes.
This thing is completely fixated on the ladder.
Please. That'll be your chance to grab it and do the floor.
He won.
Okay, so
It's a rainbow.
Enjoy your pool. Goodbye.
what?
This job sucks. Goodbye.
It's like, this is really cold.
Welcome to the shadow pool cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
Does it show code at the top
Please enjoy your pool.
in the panel or on the side?
I don't see anything
There on
saying.
the back side, I think there's a panel up there. Is it showing?
Oh, I don't know.
The touch screen. Oh, and that looks like a sensor.
Yeah, that's a sensor.
I wonder if you have to change the mode in the app.
I don't know.
Welcome to the shadow pool cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
Shoot, I don't know how to get it off.
Try
of that.
that mode
Please
again.
enjoy your pool. Goodbye.
Try the mode again, but put it handle first, because if the sensor's on the front, we put her in backwards. I think we put her. Didn't we put her in handle back?
Welcome to the Shadow Food Mini Robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
All right.
And I would put it in.
Yeah, we're gonna have to put the app on because they can't see then how you do it. Maybe we just take the ladder out.
Gonna turn around and find that ladder.
Dad, just take the ladder out. Oh, yep. There it goes. That's right. Let's take the
Right,
ladder.
but she's backing into a wall this time instead. So I think she might go around up there. Here is the wall.
It goes on a wall.
There she is. Now she says, "Okay, I found a wall that I can deal with."
I found a wall that I can vacuum.
I think you might have to take the ladder out because I think she's gonna go around to each point on the wall and do that same thing.
Yeah.
Stop there.
She's-
I want her to
right.
go to the middle.
Yeah, because she's gonna turn a couple degrees and find that wall again, or not.
She's gonna climb the wall. Oh my god.
I think she's gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have to watch it through the window.
Oh yeah.
Let's go inside.
And that's gonna start obsessing on that stupid ladder again.
It's gonna push that base out from under that ladder, isn't it? Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's that ought to confuse it.
Just take that ladder out. Watch it.
I'm surprised that it doesn't go all the way across until it feels the other side
I know.
to know how wide the pool is.
It's doing the walls first, maybe.
Oh,
Because it's just been wanting to climb walls since you put
Yeah.
it in.
yeah. Well, that's interesting. It didn't bump into that fitting. It stopped before it got to that fitting. So that camera must watch for that kind of stuff. Boys are watching.
Yeah, they're so stupid. I want to see it go to the middle and see how good it picks up that
Yeah.
stuff in the middle.
Well, I'll just let it go for a while. Well, we ended up letting it run till its battery died last night. We all went in the house. Mosquitoes were coming out. And I can see this morning it looks like it did get everything out of the center. All that little pile of junk was gone. It did miss a few spots on the cove. The walls look good and the floor looks good, but just there's a couple spots over here where it really didn't hit that cove very well. I'm going to go ahead and download the app and see what that can add to it here, and we'll give it another shot, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks a lot for watching. TFO channel out.